I don't know if this is going to be like a whole separate vlog or if I'm adding on to other days I've vlogged. But anyways, hi. So I'm just getting ready. I have an appointment at House of Bratz today, and I'm going to get lip fillers. I'm super excited for that, and I thought, why not vlog this day? I'm also going to do like a whole separate video on my experience, but I did want to kind of vlog it, and I'm trying to put on this bracelet. It's not working. And then I also have an event tonight, so I thought it'd be fun to just vlog today since I have a lot going on. And yeah, I just did my hair and skincare. I'm not gonna put on makeup because it's probably gonna get wiped off anyways. Yeah, I'm just quickly going to make myself a smoothie, and then I need to walk Devin, and then my sister is coming and we are driving to Rotterdam because it's all the way in Rotterdam, so it's like an hour and 15-minute drive. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along. Let me go ahead and pack my bag. I think I'm gonna go for this one. So like 30 minutes to make myself a smoothie and walk Devin, so that should be fine. So this is my outfit for today. I'm just wearing some flared pants from House of CB, this sweater from Zara from like last year. I don't know if I should keep on the necklace. I think I'm gonna take it off. But yeah, just my Balenciagas and this naked bag. My hair's just in a ponytail, and yeah. Let's go ahead and make a smoothie.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did.
Okay, so I just got home. I just quickly have to take out the trash because it's stanking up my house. But yeah, my lips are a little swollen, but it's nothing too crazy yet. They said it's gonna be worse tomorrow. So also, I'm not allowed to show too much of the whole like procedure. That's what I call it, procedure? Yes. Because I was obviously vlogging, and then she said that I'm not allowed to show too much hello, what is going on with this thing? I'm not allowed to show too much of what they did, so I can only show a little bit, but I'll try to put in like most of it or whatever. So I'm currently trying to figure out an outfit for the event tonight. It's like a fashion show type thing, and I kind of want to keep it like super casual, but I feel like maybe it's not going to be appreciated, so I literally don't know. I was thinking maybe this. I don't know. I just think I want to do leather pants because they're comfortable. Maybe this one. Just have it kind of, and then maybe my Air Force underneath it. So it's still kind of casual, but like not too casual. Not on my pants, you're gonna remove. Okay, I think this is gonna be my outfit. And I'll wear it with my Air Force Ones. My bed is a mess and I don't feel like cleaning it up. So I'm gonna come home to like a messy bed and be like frustrated. That's okay. I also need to put away some clothes and I need to start my makeup, but I ordered some lunch really quickly because I wanted to make something, but I noticed I was out of some food like tomato and stuff. and I just don't have time to go buy it now. So I ordered food, Uber Eats, and I'm just gonna start my makeup so that I am ready to go. And then I need to quickly walk Devin, and then we're leaving. But actually, this might look cool if I have like my Nike socks coming out. I'll do white maybe. Let me see if that's a look. Kind of have just like a monochromatic outfit. Do it like this, or do it like this. It's annoying that I have so much to do in such a short amount of time because my mom's coming home tonight and she's gonna be here before me. And I kind of want her to come home to like a super clean house and everything. So I'm trying to also get that done. This. Have this kind of open. I'll put on a necklace. That'll be cute, I think. Okay, I'm about to go do my makeup, but I literally, this is the worst angle. I don't have a good angle for you. It's so frustrating. Maybe like this. It's like crooked, isn't it? I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Oh my god, bro. Ah. Let's hope I don't get any. Let's hope I don't get any makeup on my top. That would suck. My skin is still awful. So my lips honestly don't even look that swollen. Like, I'm sure tomorrow's gonna be worse. But I only got, let me actually talk about my experience. I didn't even do that. I just did something and now I'm nervous. Yeah, so they put like half a mil in there. Oh god, oh my god, give me a second. Okay, oh my god, okay, I can't, I'm sorry, I need to get ready off camera because I'm like running out of time. A lot is going on right now, but I'll be back after I'm finished. Okay, my food just came. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. I just dropped food in my makeup. I hope not.
What was that? That was the most ghetto shit I've ever seen.
Ano chodź? Bawisz się nim?
Lekker ging binnen.
Oh.
Maar ik was van opmerking ook heel goed besteld. Maar ik ook de verkeerde maat besteld. Oops. You know, said we are gonna suffer together.
My lips fat.
Sorry.
My lips fat. So I just finished doing my makeup. I'm not really gonna fix my hair too much, even though it's I fixed my ponytail a little bit, but yeah, I'm just leaving it as it is right now. But I can't wear anything on my lips, so I just put Vaseline. It looks kind of weird. I'm gonna go ahead and walk Devin now, and then we're off to the event. Okay, so we're in the taxi right now. Here with my sister. And we're just waiting for everyone to arrive, and then we're driving off to the event. And apparently this clothing brand is like kind of for like older women. Apparently it's for older women, so I don't even know why I'm invited, but we'll see. Maybe I enjoy it. Yeah, I got me a Red Bull and a cookie.
We're just gonna make old people's fashion the new fashion.
Yeah, I mean, we always make shit work. So anyways, I'll see you guys there.
My, oh my. My, oh my. A kiss, and so I did.
Alright, so I've been home for a little while, took off my makeup. My mom is home, and I just sat with her and talked to her a bit, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. I had so much fun at the event, and they actually let us pick out like 300 euro worth of clothes, and I found this amazing jacket. I'll put a picture on the screen, so I'm definitely gonna get that. And yeah, I'm super tired. It's like almost 1, I'm pretty sure, and I still, yeah, it's like 12:53. And I still need to answer emails and do a little bit of work before going to sleep, but since I don't have to walk Devin anymore, I can actually sleep in tomorrow. Although I do have a lash appointment at 11. I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow, but I don't think so. So I'm going to end the vlog here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.